Hi guys, I'm really excited to tell you about our 2 new fundraising programs that we've added for 2020. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and every Wednesday we put out a new video where I talk about all things pie. So guys, 27 years ago, when Dave and I were still baking pies out of our home, we had people coming to us wanting us to bake pies for their fundraisers. So our current fundraising program that's been going really well for many, many years is where we make a pie that is ready to bake. So it is raw, unbaked. We freeze it, and y'all pick it up whenever you're ready on that certain date. We meet you there at your school, and you take those pies home and keep them in your freezer, and then you bake them at home when you're ready for them. So we're going to continue on with that current fundraising program. I know a lot of you are very far away from any of our 6 pie shop locations. So for those of you who are closer to our pie shops and you want to come there and get a fresh pie, we have come up with 2 programs for you to choose from. So the first one is a coupon card program. So the fundraisers, or your group who's trying to raise funds, will be able to just sell coupons and pass out your coupons, and then your customers will be able to come into any one of our pie shops and redeem that coupon for either a fresh fruit pie of their choice, any one of our cream pies. And as you guys know, when you come into our pie shops, you might have 25 or 35 different flavors of pie. So another coupon that we'll be offering in this program is for our savory pie lineup, and that is our chicken or beef pot pies, our spinach pot pies, and we also have a lobster pot pie. And those are frozen in our front freezers, and you can take those home and bake them when you're ready for them. Another thing that we're going to be offering, I'm so excited about this, is a 2-pack of our smaller 8-inch pies, and those are our gluten-free pies. We call them wheat-free pies, so they're made without wheat, so they're gluten-free. And we have currently 2 flavors: our signature pie, the Michigan 4-berry, and our apple pie. Lastly, we have a 2-pack of our soups. You know, this is our daughter company. Ariel has purchased Uncle Steve's Soup Company. So you'll be able to purchase a coupon and pick up 2 24-ounce cups of our soup. And all of these programs here, your group will make $5 per pie. So our second program that we're offering is a in-store pickup. So you can sell 5 of our most popular pies. Call us up, let us know how many you're going to be picking up. Come to our stores, we'll make them fresh. You can pick them up and then you'll distribute them. So with this purchase and pickup program, the 5 most popular flavors are our signature pie, the Michigan 4-berry, apple, cherry, pumpkin, and pecan. So those are perfect for the fall time. So you'll also make $5 per pie on this program as well. So go to our website, there's a link below, and contact our fundraiser coordinator, and she'll let you know all the details of both of these new programs. So every year we work with over 100 fundraising groups here, and I know that they're going to be really excited about these 2 new programs. So if you know someone or a group who's looking to raise funds, feel free to pass on this video to them, this information, and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.